Many well-known beverages, bottled water, dairy products, wine, condiments, and other liquid food secondary packaging equipment, all from our YCTD. YCTD has served more than 6,000 customers, domestic and foreign customers. Market coverage rate of nearly 70%, covering more than 100 countries and regions around the world. This is YCTD's production base, located in Daming County, Handan City, Hebei Province. YCTD production base, built in 2015, covers an area of 1.3 million square meters. It integrates R&D center, procurement department, manufacturing workshops, quality control center, packaging and logistics department, as well as after-sales service. YCTD production base construction work includes 3 phases. The first phase has 5 manufacturing workshops, which have been put into use since year 2015. The second phase project is new office building, put into use in 2021. The preliminary planning of the third phase project has been completed, and the R&D office building to be constructed is within the planning project. High-quality products and good equipment are inseparable from modern production and manufacturing, but also need scientific and technological talents who adhere to ingenuity. The tens of thousands of components that make up each piece of equipment are tempered before being assembled. Every piece of equipment here is the incarnation of an ingenuity. The machining center has strong processing capabilities and can complete the processing of non-metallic materials to various metal materials required by the equipment. The machining accuracy is high. The manufacturing accuracy of the imported vertical CNC machine center and gantry machining center with tens of millions of investment can reach 1.5 SI, that is 0.015 millimeters. The workpieces processed in this way can make the assembled equipment run smoothly, accurately, lightly, and have a longer service life in actual work. Vertical CNC machining center workpiece with a length of less than 1.6 meters can be processed. Automatic cutting tool change, automatic cutting tool setting. After inputting the program, one key operation, the workpiece can be directly and automatically formed. Each part has its own ID card, and the produced parts must be marked by laser to achieve one code from one item. And the identity can be traced, which is easy to manage. And it is also convenient for the purchase and use of spare parts. Every piece of equipment has a brain, and the control system is equivalent to the brain of the equipment. The electrical components of the equipment are of high-quality brands at home and abroad. All transmission and motion control are centrally controlled by the control system to ensure safe, stable, and efficient operation of the equipment. YCTD adopts order-based, tailored production according to the needs of customers. At present, the equipment includes 4 series of shrink wrapping machine, case packing machine, paralyzer and conveying system. And we can provide 8,000 BPH to 72,000 BPH turnkey project for the whole line. Based on the mastery of packaging equipment, YCTD takes the lead in launching 8 packaging forms in the industry with its professional advantages, helping customers' products have selling points. Until today, it has expanded from 8 packaging solutions to more than 10 packaging solutions. The colorful packaging forms come from the flexible design and specialized manufacturing of YCTD's secondary packaging equipment. At present, the packaging speed of shrink packaging machine can reach 8 to 200 packages per minute. And at the same time, it can realize various packaging forms such as transparent film, color film, film plus tray, film plus cardboard, and promotional package. Case packing machine include linear type carton wrapping machine, drop type carton packing machine, grasping type packers, and tetra packing machine. It can achieve 6 to 80 cases per minute. It can completely replace import machines within the production capacity of 72,000 BPH. Palletizers are mainly have three series: gantry palletizer, pillar palletizer, and robotic palletizer. It can realize 2 to 10 layers of palletizing, including different palletizing methods such as half layer and whole layer, corresponding to different types of models. YCTD took the lead in putting forward the concept of line balance system in the industry. Line balance system and overall control of the whole line, developed and customized YCTD software platform. Relying on the favorable guarantee of these platforms, improve the stability and intelligence of product automation control, greatly improve the core competitiveness of the product. Currently, it has launched 80 ppm shrink wrapping machine of 2x3 Tetra Pak high-level gift box, special grab type case packing machine, Tetra Pak case packing machine, film tray packer for cans, cost-effective depalletizer, 110 packs per minute ppm high-speed palletizer, and other new models. The trust of customers is the most precious reward for YCTD. The perfect turnkey project of the whole line. From the factory design to the production line landing, to the final product entering the customer's field of vision. Every step confirms our most practical commitment to customers. YCTD is committed to the sustainable development of the industry and market. Here, we are working happily. We are grow up happily. We are getting stronger and stronger. We are YCTD. Let's hand in hand for a shared future.